Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how my little corner of the world works. The things I use, the habits that keep me painting, and the tiny tricks that save me time. I'll take you through my entire YouTube journey, from the first clips to the workflow that I use now. You'll see how I plan projects, film art, edit videos, and keep everything organised so I can keep creating every week. In January 2025, I posted my very first short video on Instagram, and I remember how nervous I felt. By June I uploaded my first proper YouTube video, and I learned how to handle the new widescreen and longer time format. You'll see the early thumbnails and the little mistakes that taught me better framing, titles and lighting. I'm still experimenting and learning every single week. Since then, I've committed to releasing a fresh artwork and tutorial every single week without fail. That routine forces me to streamline every step, so projects don't take forever and I can keep on schedule. Here is a time lapse of a painting from beginning to end, and you can clearly see my workflow. In order to create and film each piece, I don't chase perfection, but instead I aim for time-managed consistency. Four things drive me to keep making videos: structure, skills, audience, and achievements. Structure gives my week purpose and helps me show up even when I don't feel inspired. Skills improve every week because I practice camera work, editing, and colour mixing on a deadline. Audience retention teaches me what they care about and shapes future videos, while I absolutely love achieving a new, completed artwork each and every week. I invested in a MacBook Air for editing, a 5TB LaCie drive which I partitioned, half for time machine backups and the other half for art tutorial backup and storage. I also bought a height adjustable desk stand for my smartphone. Those upgrades didn't magically make me better, but they made my life easier. I immediately got faster internet speeds, more reliable backups, and a stable filming angle. My software collection is intentionally small, economical, and efficient. iMovie for editing, Photopea for photo tweaks, Canva for thumbnails, Microsoft Copilot AI Assistant for help with scripts and my programmer, and YouTube Music for royalty-free tracks. Using fewer tools keeps me from wasting time learning features I rarely need and lets me focus on art instead. YouTube slowly became a real business for me, and I now spend 30 hours a week painting, filming, editing and tracking expenses. Remember that content creating only becomes a business if you treat it like a business. Algorithms reward fresh content, but they change, and so must I. I search for new ideas that are trending and create thumbnails, titles and hooks that are appealing while also describing my video correctly. This journey has been rewarding in ways I didn't expect. Hearing my grandchildren say, "My Nana is a YouTuber," and leaving comments on Instagram makes my day and reminds me why I started. Adding new pieces to my studio wall makes the progress tangible and keeps me excited to make the next video. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more art and studio tips. For most of this video, I've been working on urban sketching Dublin's industrial past, and you can watch the full art tutorial simply by clicking on the box on the right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.